And welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Raisa Ruiz.
Michael Andrew Fox, OC, born June 9th, 1961, known professionally as Michael J. Fox, is an American-Canadian retired actor. Beginning his career in the 1970s, he rose to prominence portraying Alex P. Keaton on the NBC sitcom Family Ties from 1982 to 1989. Fox is famous for his role as protagonist Marty McFly in the Back to the Future film trilogy from 1985 to 1990, a critical and commercial success.
After living with Parkinson's disease for a few years, he stated that my happiness grows in direct proportion to my acceptance and inverse proportion to my expectations.
Aloha Balers. Are you interested in learning how to do Polynesian dance? Check out Polynesian Club. They host their dance practices every Monday in room 380 behind the language buildings. You don't have to be Polynesian to join. Everyone is welcome. Help us spread the aloha around school. Here's the weather.
Hello, I'm your meteorologist, Raisa Ruiz. Today, we will be expecting a high of 80 and a low of 51. We will be expecting more or less the same for the rest of the week, with Tuesday having a high of 81 and a low of 51. Wednesday having a high of 85 and a low of 52.
Drama Club meets every Tuesday at lunch in room 223. Comedy Sports holds workshops after school every Tuesday and Thursday outside room 223. New members are always welcome to both.
Joke break. What is an astronaut's favorite place on a computer?
What?
The space bar.
Club Ed meets Tuesday, October 4th at lunch in room 196, homecoming and next volunteer opportunity. New members and new tutors are invited to come.
Independent Film Club meets Monday, October 3rd at lunch in room 204. We'll be finalizing our constitution and making plans for homecoming, so be there and help make it happen.
Looks like that's about it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers!